Good morning. I know that we're all excited about field day. We're going to get started in just a few minutes, but before we did, I wanted to talk with you briefly about how the day works and some expectations, things to do, things not to do. All right, so right now you should all be in your classes with your groups. Go ahead, you should have your folders. Go ahead, let's take a look at these folders. If you'll take a look on the outside, we have a map of the whole school and all the stations around the school. Then if we take a look inside the folder, we've got a list of all those stations. All right, so this is the list. And the way it works is that you guys are working together, taking turns deciding where you'd like to go. One person doesn't decide, you all take turns deciding which station you'd like to go to. Now, with that said, the goal is to try to finish all 40 stations, so it might be a good idea to stay in one place and do as many stations as you can before you move on. All right, so here's how it works. We have a sample or a demonstration group here, and Drew is going to be the first one to decide which station we go to. We're going to pick station. Let's take a look at the map, Drew. What station do you think looks good?
Station 3.
Station 3, okay. So Deverette's going to read that for us nice and loud.
Vaulting box. Start behind the green line and run towards the blue ball. Leap onto the board, put your hands on the ball, and swing both feet around either side of the ball. Land on 2 feet.
Perfect. Okay, so now we're doing the activity that Deverette just read, so let's all line up behind the green line. Okay, now that everyone completed the station, what you'll do is you'll take your sheet, you'll find number 3, you'll put a sticker covering the number 3. And that means that you've finished number 3. Again, your goal is to try to fill your page with stickers. Okay, and that means that you would be finished. So your goal is to finish all 40 stations. You're taking turns. You are being safe. A couple other things. Make sure that you stay together as a group. If one person needs to use the bathroom or they need to go somewhere, the whole group stays together and goes and waits or goes wherever that person needs to go. There are also a couple of water stations outside. Please do them the correct way. It's okay if we get a little bit wet. That's what the way they work is. You get a little bit of water on you, but we are not dunking our heads in the water. We're not getting anyone completely soaking wet. If we do, we might need to close those stations, so please, no getting completely soaking wet. Other than that, have a fun day with your group and your friends. Be safe, as I said before. Be kind to each other, have fun. And then this afternoon, we will do some relays, tug of war, some of those fun things that I know that we'll have a good time with. That's all I have. You may, as soon as this message is over, you may begin with your group, deciding where you'd like to start. All right, see you soon.